Hello, welcome to Mathy Things. Here we're going to talk about making a basic worksheet on mathythings.net. This is one of the features that you do not need an account for. So you just go to the Make a Basic Activity. However, to save your work, you will need to have an account. So you can make one and print it out without having an account, but to save it and make changes later, you will need to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Give a description for the worksheet. So let's do integer addition and subtraction. It's going to be 7.ns.a. I'm going to use an 11-point font. This is the description in the upper left-hand corner. For me, this is Unit 1, Lesson 4, integer addition and subtraction. Complete each operation. So now we're going to pick the types of problems that we want. I'm going to go into addition and signed addition, and I pick the number of problems that I want. So I'm going to do signed addition and signed subtraction. It will shuffle the order, but I'm going to have them do 15 of each. And then I'm going to hit make append problems. And down here we see we've got our information and all of our problems. There's some instructions there, and we can change the spacing in between the problems if we want to. We can hide all the problem instructions if we don't feel like we need it, and that can make us be able to fit more problems on the page. We can show the solutions to print out our own version, and then if we don't like a problem, we just highlight the problem, click edit, and hit replace, and it gives a different one. Now, the default option when you replace problems is it'll show all the instructions, but if you go into the edit, you can hide the instructions right there. If you want a specific problem to be in there, you can change the problem. So say I want -2 - 6. It's better if you change the solution there as well, though. And then we're going to hit update rather than replace. So update. Changes the problem type, makes it a custom problem, and allows you to tweak all the features that you would want to tweak. Now, so that's the new thing that we're doing. And I look through, you'll notice that there's some easy ones, straightforward, like they've already done before. But say I want to go back and just work on some of their multiplication skills at the end. So I'm going to hit clear topics here. And I want them to practice just multiplications by 7. So here I've got multiplications by a fixed value, and the value is 7. So I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to add 10 problems like that at the end. And I'm going to hit make append, which will add those 10 problems to the end of the worksheet. Again, I'm going to go back and hit hide all the instructions, and I've got my worksheet where they're practicing integers, and then they have to do some real quick review type assignment at the end. The whole focus of these is that you can do your new topics, then you can throw back to an old topic that they need review on that maybe you covered 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago or a month ago, to remind them, and allows you to do mixed topic worksheets on the fly and focusing on what you feel like your students need to cover. I know there are a lot of great resources out there for focusing on the new material, and that's like, here's a dedicated thing working on this. Now with this, my goal is to make something where you've got your new material, then you can slap on your old material and get them to not forget everything that they've already learned. Now, because I have logged in, and in fact, let's just go ahead and Actually, we don't need to log in yet, but let's look at what the print preview looks like. So here's my print preview. It looks like I'm scaled to a custom size, so I'm just going to do it full size. And it all fits on one sheet, and it looks like there's enough space to do all the problems. So I'm pretty happy with that, and I would just print it there. I have a few options to make things fit a little bit better. I can change the font that I'm using if I need to make it smaller. I can zoom in and zoom out if I need to. But now that I'm happy with it, if I were not logged in, there would not be the save worksheet, but I can go ahead and hit save. And I do not remember if I put a title. Yes. So I'm going to hit save worksheet here. And now if I go back to my dashboard, on my printable assignments, I've got integer addition and subtraction. It is a basic type worksheet. And it says here's what it covers, here's the grades that it covers. And hopefully, soon there will be a way to search other people's worksheets. And we'll create a little community going on here where you'll find things that other people have created and it'll be easy to share. Thank you for checking it out. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, any concerns, if you like features, if you think something should be added, you can email me here at matthewthingsnet@gmail.com. Thanks again for your time.